Hello, my name is Sonia Jennings, and I wanted to make this testimonial video for Shawn Hayes. Now, it's not very often that I make testimonial videos, but I wanted to make this one for Shawn because she deserves it. One of the things I admire about Shawn is the amount of information that she pours into her clients and her customers. The information that she gives on financial literacy, on getting out of debt, on saving, on creating wealth. One of the things that sets her apart is that she shows her clients how to make money to be able to do all those things that she teaches. So if you've been on the fence as to getting one of her courses, jumping in one of her challenges, hiring her as a coach, or even purchasing one of her books, I want to let you know you won't regret it. Go ahead and make the investment in yourself and get this information. I promise you, you will take your life, you will take your finances to the next level.